Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have a round canvas on my spinner and we're just going to do a very simple beginner friendly video today. We're going to be doing a ribbon pour. So I've got a cup here and we are going to layer some colors into the cup. These spouts that keep blocking up. Nope. The one thing I don't like about these bottles is the spouts that block up. Just any little tiny piece of something that is in the paint, it just jams up those nozzles. Anyway, that's not going to stop us today. So I'm just randomly layering some colors, and of course you use whatever colors you have, you use whatever colors you want. It is your painting. So it is quite cold today. It's drizzling at the moment outside, and miserable weather we've been having for the past couple of days. So not fun at all. And I'm just going to drop some of this one from a height so it sinks into the middle over there. And what else? Some yellow. And I think one more color. I think this dark pink, and I'll also drop it in from a height like that. Okay, I wonder if that'll be enough. Maybe just a touch of that. Right here. So all we're going to do is we are going to pour in, shapes, designs, lines, patterns, anything you want to do. You just creating patterns like this in the paint, and then when you get it down to a thin stream, you can just go around the edges like this and just pop it on the canvas, because it helps to spin it out if the outside of your canvas is covered. So I'm just going to take the rest of the paint that's in the cup, and I'm just going to cover the edges like this, just to help the paint to spread, just like this. Because obviously now when we start spinning this, all this is going to cover and just going to go over this, the edge where we're putting this paint, so it's fine, you don't see it, like that. Right, and now I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun because there's a couple bubbles in there. Okay, now there's no silicone or anything in this. This is just my paints mixed with, I use Owatrol Floetrol and some water to get it to the right consistency, and that's it. There's nothing else in these paints. Right, let us start. So I'm just going to get it in the middle and give it a spin. You don't have to spin hard, and then bring the weight of the paint down to where you want it to go over next, and a gentle spin is all that you need. And then once it reaches there, you can go bring it down again to the next side you want to cover. Another gentle spin. And down to the last corner, or last side, shall I say, it's not square. And spin. Wow, that is very pretty and very bright and colorful. So just go around the edges and make sure that the paint has actually covered all the edges. You can just pick paint up and dab it on, and that's fine. And I just want to hit this again with a heat gun, just to pop the bubbles again. There we go. I'm going to give it one last spin. That's fun. And then if you want to, you can maneuver it if you've got enough paint on the canvas. So I just want to see if I can bring that closer to the middle. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Very bright and colorful little painting. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. And you can see it has lovely colors in it, lovely designs and patterns, and super easy to do, as you saw. And you can really get some very, very pretty patterns and designs just by pouring the paint in ribbons. Very different technique, very, you know, you'll never get two paintings that look alike or look the same. They're all going to be different, but really cool. Very, very, very cool paintings. So there we go, everybody. Quick and easy painting today. Thank you for joining me, and please remember again, all paintings created in this channel are available to buy. They're in my Etsy shop, and I will put the details to the Etsy shop down in the description below. Also this morning I've opened up a Facebook page, and I will link the Facebook group also in the description below, so you can join there. And yeah, that's it, everyone. I am actually not working next week, and I may very well, I'm just sorry, there's some more bubbles here that didn't pop. I may very well do a couple videos during the week because I'm off. So be sure to look out for those. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you've clicked on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And that's it. I'll see you next time, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.